Hello everyone! Welcome to DIY House!
Why are you sitting here? My house is covered in snow. I'm so cold. Wow! Thank you. If you don't have a house, come stay at my house. I have a pink room for you.
First, do my Melody first. Melody needs a large bed with a big flower. I use clay to roll it out thinly. The details are luxurious. Silver wire trim. Wrap the pink paper outside to make a bed. This is really simple. Done!
Please give me a ride. Okay. Thank you so much.
Click to create texture. I'm going to edge a layer of pink clay around the blanket. Yellow clay. Press the lines. Sparkly beaded. Let's make a beautiful flower with me.
Nice.
A huge flower is placed in the middle.
The bed is beautiful. Yippee! I feel the same way. I'm happy with it.
Wrap yellow paper around. I make decorative plant pots. Wrap the wire around.
So good!
I'm sure Melody will take good care of them.
Please help me water the plants.
The roofing uses pink and white clay.
I need to take a bath to rest. Help me make a big bathtub.
Wrap the emulsion foam around the cardboard I have already cut. Decorate with pink ribbon. The bathtub is simple but beautiful, isn't it? Poke, poke, poke so water can spray out from here. Connect the ball wire as a water line. I made two shelves for towels and bottles. I will use clay for all the components of the toilet. Oh, so beautiful! Toilet paper. Press, press, press. Do you like bunk beds? Elsa told me she wants a bunk bed. I need to leave a window on the lower floor. Wrap the Formex outside. Borders all around.
Awesome!
Covered with clay. A warm mattress. Remember to add cotton. Hem the lace to the outside.
So good!
Do the same on the second floor.
Love this bed.
A system of stairs to make going up and down easier. Wrap the foam outside. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
What's wrong, Elsa? The dress is too big. I can't move. Aha! Let me help you. Thank you, Melody.
ATV cabinet. Wrapped in white paper around it. Use foam to make cabinet doors. Green and red beads make TV buttons.
So good!
This speaker set has enough vivid sound to watch movies. Mix white and blue clay. Cover with a piece of cardboard.
you think my movie is good? Yeah!
Elsa needs the car to be able to move more easily. Our house is finished. Elsa will reward me very handsomely. We have a house with bunk beds, Elsa and Melody's rainbow stairs. The perfect combination. If you have any ideas, please share with us by commenting or following to update great houses.